These artists say danger is inching towards Gaza, and people need to take precautionary measures against COVID-19. So far, officials here insist Gaza is safe from community transmission, and they want to keep it that way. They've shut down many aspects of life in one of the world's most crowded places. Artists hope drawing on masks will encourage many to wear them in public and raise their level of alert. Health officials haven't asked the population to cover their faces yet, but a growing number of people are.
We want to draw colourful, happy and joyous shapes so people will wear masks to help limit infection. We're giving them out free and some people are giving us their own masks to draw on.
But the difficult financial situation and increasing costs of masks and paint might end their initiative.
We've saved some money and wanted to help those who are poor and out of work, but we are facing a crisis now. The prices of masks are increasing and they are running out of medicine.
Another challenge is trying to convince people to take the issue seriously by wearing masks.
If it wasn't for this project, I wouldn't have worn the mask. In Gaza, we're not used to wearing masks. There are people who are too shy or don't want to look odd.
Still, some clearly do not feel unsafe. More than a dozen COVID-19 infections have been reported in the Gaza Strip. It's home to 2 million people living in close proximity. It has been under an Israeli and Egyptian blockade for over a decade. That has weakened its health system, and Palestinians fear they won't be able to cope with a disease that even rich countries are struggling with. This means preventative measures, including physical distancing, are even more important. The police say with the weather getting warmer, some are heading to the seaside, as it's one of the only places left to relax. Some say Gaza's relatively low number of infections is because it's been cut off from the rest of the world for years. But it also means that if the virus were to spread here, it could have a devastating impact on its people. Nida Ibrahim, Al Jazeera.